Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this quick and informative video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to set your preferred download quality for YouTube videos on your iPhone running iOS 18. This is a handy feature that allows you to manage your device's storage and data usage according to your needs. So let's get straight to it. First, locate and launch the YouTube application on your iPhone. Make sure you are signed into your account. Once you're on the YouTube home screen, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom rightmost corner of your screen. Next, to access your YouTube account settings, tap on the gear icon situated at the top rightmost edge of the screen. In your account settings, scroll down until you find the Video and Audio Preferences section. Within this section, tap on Offline. On the subsequent menu, you will see a list of options. Locate and tap on Download Quality. Here you'll be presented with three choices. Ask each time, which prompts you to select the quality every time you download a video. Medium, which offers a balance between quality and file size. And Low, which uses the least amount of storage and data. Simply tap on your preferred option to select it. Once you've made your selection, the changes are applied immediately to all your future YouTube downloads. Remember, you can always reconfigure this setting at any time by following the exact same steps we've just outlined. This gives you complete control over your download preferences. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set your preferred download quality for YouTube videos on your iPhone. This simple adjustment can help you better manage your storage and data usage. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Do you have any questions about YouTube download settings? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.